Okay. Hold on. No, you're gonna break it. Hold on. Give me this one. Hold on. Hold the camera for me. Hold it, Ahmed. The camera is watching, so if you see the wire, cover it. There, you're gonna stop it, Ahmed. You're gonna because those are buttons. You push on it, you're gonna stop it. So you're gonna hold it all over here. Come this side.
You can take it.
No, hold it. Because where is the other computer? Normally it's supposed to be. Normally the computer is supposed to be. I don't know why they do it this way.
The same number.
Okay.
Same number.
No, that's no point. The point is the way they take it out. The bracket here. The bracket is in the bottom. We are trying to just change the bracket. Ahmed, you don't see the video.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have YouTube channel and people. You don't need to be logic.
Making video?
Yeah, because I tell him to do the video correctly. If you don't do it, people cannot see it well. Okay. No, it's not there. Also, you need to put something on the back of this, brother. Hold on now. Part number, everything's the same, right? Okay. 104, 104. Brother, you know what happened to this computer? Why it's go bad? Or it's gonna go bad? You don't have the skirt. You see the fender liner? The fender liner. Because the fender liner is protecting the water and everything. You see here, all this is splash.
I have plastic cover.
Yeah, you have to cover it.
Yeah, I have home.
Please cover it because any water, anything, it damage your computer.
I bought it like 4 times this one.
Why?
It says supposed to be same number. 3 times was different. And no is same.
Must be same different. Okay, now we're gonna try to play to put it down the way they say it. I don't know how. Is that the way it is, or it's supposed to go more down? I'm not sure. I don't know how this one.
You should have left it the way original was.
This one like this. Okay. It's very far. I don't believe here. No, maybe this. I shouldn't take this out, but you guys.
Stop.
Okay, now let me see something. Maybe I don't put it well too.
Maybe that one's.
First, the computer was not well sitting. The computer is upside down. Because this is not going to be like this.
I think we fixed not this one wrong.
Yeah, this one is wrong first.
This thing. Put it like this.
Are you sure? That's it? Hold on. It's not. It's supposed to be the same one. Yes.
Let me check. I have a video.
Now this is here.
This side.
It's true?
Like this.
It's true?
Here's the other side.
That's the way, right? Okay, just I want to be sure that I can put my stuff in the right direction.
No, brother.
Okay, it's not here?
It's this side.
Huh?
You see? It's this side. Look.
Okay, it's
See
inside.
it which side?
Okay, I need to get the.
Oh, I think you're right. I think you're right.
Huh?
I think you're right.
Here is the right way. Just
Oh, the bottom is all this one.
That one, the plug may be stuck.
which one? The
Yeah, that one is going to stuck the whole thing.
not the. You see here? I just need to know what I put there.
Good.
Huh?
You're good.
I want to be sure that
She
I
looking
If you
like
give me 1 second.
I just want,
I did 3-4 times.
Okay, please do it for us. Then we.
Yeah. This one going to stuck. This thing. See?
hold it. Put this on the
No, no,
side.
no, no, no. Wait,
Take
wait,
it out.
wait. Here, like this. No, you don't need to take out. Just like put it like this.
It's the right way?
Yeah.
Good, no?
Yeah. See?
Yeah.
There. That's it.
Oh, my bad. Good? Okay. Oh.
This one come here.
Yeah, hold on, leave it now.
Yeah.
Good though.
We have to put it back the same way. Here you go. There you go. And we have to put it lock back. Here you go.
Okay, well, now we are going back to engine programming, engine computer programming. So put the ignition on. See, security light is on now. Car will not start. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back here. Okay, take this one out. Okay. I'm gonna close the door. نقفل الباب. Emo.
I can hold if you want.
Yeah, hold it. I will accept win auto detect. Let me hold it because sometimes I feel like Say okay. This VIN number could be different. Nice marquee. Push to start. Okay. نقول نعم ونحاول نقول إيمو scan. Say yes. Ignition is on. The reflection of the okay. Keep going. Emo learning. Seems replacement. Okay. Configure. Turn the ignition off. Ignition on. افتح الاجنيشن. اوكي اطفيه تاني. جيب المفتاح جوا ولا الاجنيشن. checking the vehicle. ببحث عن السيارة. registration complete. أطفي السيارة. الكتابة انتهى خلاص. كويس. شوف لو نقدر ندور السيارة. السيارة دارت. اوكي. Okay. Now we're gonna go back. Skip this. نرجع ورا. نرجع ورا exit. نجي على Asian car Honda. What year is this car? 17, right? You have you have the VIN number?
Yeah, right there.
Okay. Give me the VIN number.
I will.
1. Okay, hold on. 1
HG
Harry George
CR 3F
3 Frank
89.
89
Yeah.
89
HA
Harry A
013
Harry A 013
421.
421, right?
I will repeat. 1 HG CR 3F 89 HA 013421.
Good. Okay, we're gonna go down. It's okay. Okay, smart key. Push to start. Yes. Okay, let me see something here. Something wrong. I choose something wrong, so I gotta go back. I choose emo. I supposed to choose programming. Diagnose. Okay, Asian car. Honda. Okay, automatic.
1HG.
No, hold on. I want to see if I have it here.
Yeah, this one. No, up. No.
I want to see if I have it. No, I don't have it.
Okay.
So don't worry about it. I gotta do it again later. That's the VIN number?
Yes, 1HG CR3.
Okay.
Last one 3421. Yeah.
Okay. US. Okay. I just want to verify that the VIN number is good. نشوف الفين نمبر لو صح ولا ما صح. فاكشن VIN check. Yes.
1HG CR3F89 HA 013421.
Okay. So the VIN number is good. So we're good now. Any codes? No code. What's the problem in this car? It give you engine computer problem?
Yeah.
Like what?
They changed the engine, and after that, this is jerking, and this engine sign came, and when I went to my mechanic, who changed the engine, he says transmission. Then I go to the MZM transmission, they say no, it's your computer issue.
Okay. So now we change it and then we see what happened in the future. At least two computers will never lie. So you drive and see what happened, okay?
It's good.
Thank you
like,
for...
no.
Yeah, I don't see nothing now. I just see the key sign and this one off. Cruise control or ABS problems. Plus I don't want to go into it. Right now you're good to go with this.
One
Please
thing,
subscribe,
if
share
you give
and
me
like.
the favor, just
From here it doesn't work, I cannot help you.
maybe
Because maybe
you don't
it's
have power by, I know.
It's something maybe bad.
Something last time somebody did here, he go to the setting and he change, after that the camera go.
I don't know, maybe it need to be adjusted or you need to be look at it.
Okay.